Hey friends, Joshua14 back again with a unboxing video. This is the HP Omnibook. Probably hard to see on this side, but it's the Omnibook X. It has a Intel Core Ultra X7 358H processor, 1TB SSD, 32 gigs LPDDR5X RAM, a 16-inch OLED display, and 120 hertz with a 70 watt-hour battery, and it's also a touch screen. So we're gonna unbox this monster here. Alrighty, we have some feltish material here to pull up, and wow, two felt. Okay, here we have our HP, and on our left side we have a headphone jack and USB 3. On our right we have a USB-C, a Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and another USB, and there we have that. And we have a couple of boxes here. We have our charging brick and USB-C cable. And let's see what this manual or paperwork is. To get a little getting started guide here. Yep, just shows all the ins and outs. So alright, that'll do it for the quick unboxing of the HP Omnibook 16. Let me show you the screen here. It's covered by protective cover. And we'll have a lot of coverage on this coming very soon. Alright, hopefully you all enjoyed.